Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Volley's screen recording tool to give your students feedback on their writing or other work that they've turned into you. So you can see here, I'm in my Volley account and I'm in my space called Mr. Byrne's Class, and I'm in the academic channel. I could be in any space or channel to do this, but in this demo, I'm in my class space and I'm using my academic help channel. And I'm now going to use the screen recording tool. You'll see that little screen button right there. And I'm going to record my screen. It's going to ask me, what do I want to record? I want to record this right here, this document that I have on my desktop. And we'll see, there it is. It's now going to record my screen. And I can say to my students anything I want about what's happening on the screen here and say, perhaps we should change this to today and not to. Maybe we should change that to sufficient. And perhaps over here we can add in a comma. And so then when I'm done recording, just hit that stop button. And we'll see that that has now become a part of the conversation here in the channel for academic help. So that's how you can use the screen sharing function in Volley to give your students feedback about the work that they've turned into you. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.